Hi, today I'm going to talk about what you should paint, how you should get your painting started, what should you paint from. Hello everyone, my name is Mike Svob and welcome to my channel. I've been teaching and painting for over 30 years and I've decided to start this channel to help you become a better artist. If you stay with us on this channel, I will answer your questions on a weekly basis about how to become that better artist. How you should paint is determined by you, but what you need is something to inspire you, or what artists call reference material, something to get you rolling, something to refer to, something that's going to make you want to paint and gives you a guide as to where you want to go as an artist. Now, reference material, the best advice I ever got about reference material is what I'm going to give you right now. This is a really good way to think about this. Get the best reference material you can. It's that straightforward. Now, that's awfully simple, but that's the way it works. When you're getting your reference material, don't pick something just because it's there. Think about why it is you want to use that reference material. That's where it starts. What should I paint? Why do I want to paint this? And as a painter, what you have to do is you have to start thinking immediately about how will I paint this thing? As soon as you start thinking about how I'm going to paint this thing, you'll start thinking about colors, values, shapes, edges, things you can paint. And that's when you have good reference material. It gives you good ideas about those things. Good reference material is not something you like, something that's pretty, something that's happy. Can't paint happy. You can paint in a happy mood, but you can't paint happy. So what you need to do is to think about how you're going to paint whatever your reference material is and get the best stuff you can. So you're always looking. I hope you found this information useful. And I have a handout called How to Fix Your Painting, and you can get it by clicking on the link below. And thank you for watching.